Welcome to 49 Arabella Lane in Arden, North Carolina, located just a few minutes from all South Asheville has to offer. This new construction home is situated in an easy-to-navigate, new gated neighborhood called Arabella Heights and offers tremendous views in all directions. Brand new and ready for move-in, this 3,056 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a main floor half-bath powder room. The open and airy floor plan was created for easy family living, combining kitchen, dining, and living rooms into one seamless space. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and a drawer-style microwave oven in the center island. The stunning backsplash tile is accented with subtle, elegant touches of gold. As you enjoy this home tour, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. The modern farmhouse style is reflected in the natural wood-tone floors, the stair rails, upstairs barn doors, and outdoor deck railing. In the living area, the fireplace is the focal point. It creates a space made for gathering and conversation. The living area spills out onto the broad covered deck, and the panoramic view stretches as far as the eye can see into the picturesque Blue Ridge Mountains. South Asheville and Lake Julian are seen just a couple of miles away, with downtown Asheville on beyond. The 1.15-acre wooded lot has been selectively cleared to accommodate these year-round views. At night, the lights are twinkling and delightful. The primary suite is peaceful and light-filled, with direct access to the deck. The ensuite bath is spacious and well-designed, with an oversized shower and walk-in closet. Beyond the kitchen lies the utility area of the home. The laundry room does double duty as a mudroom coming in from the garage, and the powder room is conveniently located but tucked away from the living areas. Upstairs, you will find a study area, 2 bedrooms, and a spacious, well-designed bathroom. Light fixtures, ceiling fans, and sink hardware all reflect the modern farmhouse style. The lower basement level includes a large social area with mountain views and access to the patio deck. A compact wet bar is ready for the addition of an under-counter fridge to complete its purpose. A second laundry area means this lower level could function as its own living quarters, and the large bedroom, walk-in closet, and beautifully finished bath are done with the same high-end finishes as the rest of the home. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of 49 Arabella Lane. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more Western North Carolina home tours. And give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Salt Realty is a boutique full-service real estate agency based in Asheville, North Carolina. Exceeding expectations is not just a tagline, it is their goal for each and every client. The team of professionals at Salt Realty welcome the opportunity to assist you, whether buying or selling in North Carolina or anywhere in the United States.